Let's break down the test. All iPhones were 100% charged, with battery health at 100%, and updated to the latest iOS 18. Every hour, I'll share the battery results with you, so make sure not to skip any part of the video. 9.5 hours. The 16 Plus still led with 21%. The 15 Plus had 13%, and the 14 Plus was down to 7%. This was the moment of truth. After hours of testing, the iPhone 16 Plus emerged as the clear winner, lasting an impressive 11 hours and 5 minutes. The iPhone 15 Plus wasn't far behind, clocking in at 10 hours and 23 minutes. Surprisingly, the iPhone 14 Plus held its own with a respectable 9 hours and 49 minutes. But what does this mean for you as a user? In the end, the iPhone 16 Plus emerges as the clear winner with the best battery life. If you're considering an upgrade, it depends on your needs. The 16 Plus offers the longest-lasting battery, but the 14 Plus and 15 Plus are still excellent choices, especially if budget is a concern. Battery life isn't just about numbers, it's about how these phones fit into your lifestyle. Subscribe to NexTechie for more tech videos and be sure to check out my next video where I'll be comparing the iPhone 16 series versus iPhone 15 series battery drain test.